All right, so I got this makeup kit. There's only one thing down here, as you'll notice. And I was a little like, is it gonna come with all this stuff? But let's see. So just got it, unwrapped it, had plastic wrap on it. Now we're gonna see what's in it. All right, so open it up. Oh, it's super cute. It has a little mirror, little place to put this. Y'all, oh my gosh. So came with all of these brushes. Like, I mean, we have, let's get this open. Literally every brush you could ever need. Holy cow. So, literally, and they're good quality too. They're nice and soft. So, let's see, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 20 brushes. Holy cow. Then we have a little sponge. Another little sponge. This is, ooh, a little natural liquid makeup. Oh, pretty. So let's see, looks like this. Try to get some out, see what color it is. Well, it'll come out. Well, anyway, maybe I'll just take the top off. Oh, there you go. Yeah, I think that'll match my skin color nicely. Then it comes with all of these lip colors. So they're 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. They're all kind of reddish. They look good for the holidays. Then we have this cute, super sparkly mascara. Oh, it's got plastic on it. Just can't open it. Let's see. It's actually really pretty on the outside, even just. You could give this as a gift, honestly, if you don't need a new mascara, because look how pretty it is. So, yeah, looks nice. Nice black mascara. Yeah, it's really cute. Then this is I don't know what this is. Eyeliner, maybe? Let's open it up and find out. Again, like you could literally divide this out. Like this could be a gift for somebody. These could be a set, a gift. Oh, plastic stuck to my hand. Well, I'm having a hard time opening this. Anyway, I think this is maybe eyeliner. Then this is something brown. Let's look and see. Oh, it's a little, I think it's a contour stick. So, oh, whoops. Hold on, it's not good. Yeah, so the side is just kind of like a highlighter. Ooh, it feels nice too. It glides on really nicely. This is bronzer. So just a little contour thing, which is great. All right, and then here, this is, oh, this is I think an eyeliner, brown. Just put it on, it's angled, which is nice. And then here we have, let's find out. This is, I think this is just a bronzer. Maybe? Yeah, looks like a little bronzer or a concealer of some kind. Nice. And then here, this is a eyebrow powder. Yeah, so just different colors of eyebrow powder. Just nice. Put that back in there. And, oh, this is a hydrating BB cream. Always love that. Multi-effect hydrating BB cream. Nice and light feeling. Oh! Yeah, actually, it's kind of nice.